Is it true that green tea is healthier than black tea? Is there any caffeine in it? Is it effective in preventing disease? Joe Lewin, a registered nutritionist, investigates the health advantages of green tea. What exactly is green tea? The Camellia sinensis plant is used to make all sorts of tea, including your everyday cup of builder's tea. The emerald green color produced by brewing these uncooked, unfermented leaves gives green tea its name. Green tea has a 5,000-year history and is widely consumed and farmed in East Asia, where its health benefits are highly prized. Green tea's nutritional advantages. Green tea has minimal nutritional value in terms of macronutrients, but the bioactive chemicals it contains are the drink's main advantage. The type of tea you use, the temperature, and the amount of time you steep it all have an impact on the levels of these chemicals. Allowing the heated water to cool slightly before pouring over the tea leaves and steeping for approximately 2 to 3 minutes is the best way to retain antioxidant components. Green tea's top 5 health advantages include: 1. It's high in protective polyphenols. Polyphenols are compounds that have been shown to protect the body against disease and contribute to a healthy, balanced diet. Antioxidant chemicals can be found in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other natural foods. Many of the health advantages of green tea can be linked to the fact that it is essentially unprocessed and high in these plant chemicals. Green tea's principal bioactive constituents are flavonoids, the most potent of which are catechins and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. 2. It has the potential to improve brain function. Green tea includes a variety of natural stimulants, including caffeine, which, while not as strong as coffee, may aid alertness and attention. Furthermore, green tea contains the amino acid L-theanine, which has a soothing effect by raising mood-enhancing brain chemicals such as GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. Green tea's antioxidant polyphenols may also aid in slowing the effects of aging on the brain. 3. It has the potential to increase fat burning. Green tea has been shown in several studies to enhance metabolic rate and fat burning. This is assumed to be due to caffeine's intrinsic thermogenic characteristics, as well as plant chemicals like catechins. 4. It's possible that it'll help you keep your blood sugar under control. Green tea has been shown in studies to increase insulin sensitivity and, as a result, blood sugar control. 5. It has the potential to lower the risk of heart disease. Green tea has been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease and its complications, such as stroke, according to research. Its favorable benefits on cholesterol management could be one way it can help. Is it safe to drink green tea? If you've been told you have iron deficiency anemia, you should know that green tea, like other teas, contains natural substances called tannins. Because these compounds interfere with iron absorption, it's best to avoid drinking tea with an iron-rich meal and wait at least 1 hour before brewing. Because of green tea's health benefits, it can be found in a variety of health goods. However, there is little evidence to support the effectiveness of these products. Whether you want to consume green tea for therapeutic purposes, check with your doctor to see if you may do so without jeopardizing your health. If you are caffeine sensitive, you should restrict the overall amount of caffeinated drinks you consume each day. Caffeine can interrupt sleep and raise anxiety in some people. If this is a concern for you, try to cut back on your caffeine intake and have your last caffeinated drink about 12 p.m.